What's going on, guys? Well, today's the day that I get my windows tinted. Right now I'm on lunch hour at work and enjoying some classic ranch Fritos and my favorite candy of all time, peanut butter M&Ms. I asked the tint company if I could bring in my GoPro and do a video, and luckily they obliged and said okay, it's good to go, and so we'll actually be able to watch a video of getting my car tinted. I'm not for sure what percent of tint I'm going to. The tint company that I'm getting it done by is the TINT SHOP in Conway, Arkansas, and this is be my 5th car getting done by them. They are a great company to go to, and anytime anything happens to my tint, they always fix it. It's lifetime warranty. I can't complain, and their prices are really good for what you get from them, especially with the lifetime warranty on them. Nothing else is going on right now. Recently, I have ordered some extra stuff for my car. I'm not going to say what it is yet. It's in the mail sometime. It's supposed to come in the next couple weeks. A couple things. So we'll go from there with that. I have no updates, but like I said, when the video continues, you guys will see, and we'll see you then. good. Damn, that looks sexy.
Let your inhibitions go, time to advance. This is what I came to do. Freaking out, body shaking, get up out your stance. This is what I came to do.